Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Just a quick note here to say thank you, and thank you even more for all the efforts that you've put into our YouTube channel. We have 3.3 million views as we speak, as we shoot this video, 27,000 subscribers. So our channel has really grown. I hope you find the topics interesting that we present. If you have ideas for topics, just info@acousticfields.com. That's my personal email. The other ones I hardly ever see. Those are marketing emails. info@acousticfields.com. Just put in the subject line video topic. We'll add it to the list, and I'm sure if you have a question, somebody else does too, so it'll help both. So once again, thank you all so much for your support and following. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.